So we've looked at variables. I'm going to create a variable called their name. You'll notice there's no space in between the words for a variable. No spaces in a variable name. Their name equals, now I'm going to use a function called input. Input, and now I'm going to put in a label. What is their name? Oh, sorry, what is your name? Question mark space. You can see, so their name equals input, what is your name? When I run this, it says, what is your name? So if I put in something in here, if I put in Sunil, then their name now contains Sunil. So I can now print that out. So print their name. So I'll run that again. What is your name? Sunil. Sunil. Let's try and put that in a sentence. Print, speech marks, hello, and then I'm going to put in curly brackets, closing, opening, closing, curly bracket, dot format, open brackets, their name. So when I run this, what is your name? Sunil. Hello, Sunil. Okay, let's print that, both those lines. I could start to add a couple of these things. Age equals input. How old are you? Question mark space. And in here now I can, let's get rid of that. In here I can say hello, then it's space, whatever they put in. You are years old. And now in here, at the end here, I want to put their name and then their age. Oops. Okay, so hello, something's going to go in here. You are, something's going to go here, years old. And then here we go, dot format, their age, so their name, their age. I'll run that. What is your name? Sunil. How old are you? 50. Hello Sunil, you are 50 years old. I'm so old.